y'all. It's Hannah Montana again, and this is my second video. Oh, I'm sorry it cut off just now. We were having some technical difficulties. Hey. Okay, DJ, what's it? What's it again? Play that song again. I'm so happy. Hey, y'all! It's Hannah Montana. Nick, I love you. This is for everybody out there. All my Hannah Montana fans. And Jonathan, fuck you, Simpy Girls. Oh, oh! Okay, I'm taking some breaks. We're getting some requests.